In the last video, we created and read a simple text file. In this lesson, we're moving on to something super useful, working with JSON files in Python. JSON is a common format used for storing and exchanging data, especially in web applications. Let's see how we can save a dictionary to a JSON file and then read it back. We start by importing the JSON module. Then we create a dictionary called data, which holds a name, age, and city. Next, we use the with open statement with mode W for writing and pass it to json.dump to save our data into a file called user.json. Let's run the code. When you run it, you'll see that a new file named user.json is created in your project folder, and the dictionary is saved inside as JSON. Now let's learn how to read that JSON file back into Python. We use with open again, but this time with mode R for reading. Then we use json.load to load the content into a variable called loaded, and finally we print it. Let's run the code. When you run it, you'll see the contents of the JSON file print to the console as a Python dictionary. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to explore how to work with CSV files, like saving tabular data and reading it row by row. So make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in lesson 3.